Hey guys, in this video I show you how I kind of prepare for races. Now for some reason all the local tracks are still closed by me, even on a day like this. But however, that's not going to stop me from riding my dad's 2008 4Fatty. Reasons I'm not on my bike is because I bent my front rotor at the last race and the part's still on its way. So I hope you enjoy this tight motocross track, if you can really even call it that. And yeah, if you enjoy the video, feel free to leave a like. Peace.
Start here. I feel like we've been cheating at races because you're not allowed to prep past the gate at AMA stuff, but all of us dads be out
Everyone
there.
else is doing it.
All of us dads be out there packing. beat that one.
What was that? 126?
126.25.
I felt good on that one.
Did you? It sounded good. It sounded smooth yet aggressive at the same time. And everything sounded right. And I was paying attention to your phone, trying to get footage.
That start was my best start yet.
Was it?
I popped it up right at the end of this.
Yeah.
Wheelied, manualed right over that.
But had it because your momentum, your body was forward?
I was up. That was my best start yet.
That probably had a big chunk.
Had a whole second to it. Guaranteed.
There's your 126.25.
There's the 127. And then I definitely did some shit over here.
Did you?
I just
figured something out? Or did you cut that corner?
No.
Oh, okay.
No cutting corner.
No cheating.
No cheat.
Because it doesn't matter if you're cheating.
No. It don't help.
I'm not going to know how to get you better.
It don't help me if I cheat.
Correct. We're here to help you. And that one sounded and looked good.
I thought so.
You're not going to beat that today.
No.
There's no fucking way. Did you just say no? No. Wrong answer. Elite athlete will always say,
my bad.
I bet I fucking can.
My bad.
I bet I can.
That's on me.
I bet I can.
That's on me.
I bet I can.
I bet I can. This is old, dude.
The recluse isn't so much.
Hey. She don't like being ridden like that.
So that's in gear. That's out of gear.
That's neutral for sure. Yep. First kick.
She was flooded.
Yeah, she was.
You shaved 7/10 on that.
I know exactly where.
126.19.
The rhythm, not the rhythm, but the whip section. I came in double, right? Popped, manualed right over the big chunky one. Went right over it. Boom, boom. Instead of going plow, plow, plow. Boom, boom,
It
boom.
was like a one motion.
Yeah.
126.19.
And then after the double to that one like step kicker into the corner, did the same thing. Wheelied right over the kicker.
Okay. I'm glad you're able to see where you do it.
You like the style? A little bit of style?
Yeah, it's like smooth and low.
I was feeling it.
It a lot of times when you were doing that before, when you were starting to learn all that stuff, you were still out when you would land, and it would twitch. Now it lands smooth, and it's one fluid motion, and you're still.
And I came outside
this
here.
corner with a little drift.
Oh shit!
Because you were trusting.
Got too excited. Bloody nose.
Oh shit! Yeah, you had a nice slide to bang this to make that corner. Where a couple times I was nervous.
Yeah. No, I was feeling it. I'm gonna go take a second because of the bloody nose.
Yeah, go get some toilet paper so you don't get it on your gear.
Yeah.
You already got it on your pant leg.
That's alright. I'm gonna wash these anyway.
The blood doesn't wash out.
Yeah, it does.
No, it don't.
Frick.
So that's sort of how we prep for races. There was a lot more motos we did, well, quote-unquote motos we did, but I didn't want the video to be like 30 minutes long because no one wants to watch a 30-minute video. If you guys enjoyed, feel free to leave a like. If not, it's whatever. just helps me out a little bit. Feel free to subscribe as well, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.